Aden the Aardvark and the Hiccup Hullabaloo. One happy hop and hic! Aden got a hiccup. "Hiccups," said Hazel. "Hop to it. We'll fix those hiccups." Aden held his breath. 1, 2, 3. Hic! Hula hooping with hiccups? Hilarious, but no help. "Try this honey," buzzed the bee. "It's got a hot twist." "Hot and hiccupy," Aden hollered. "Still hiccuping." "Sometimes a scare helps," said Hugo the hippo. "Boo! No hiccup." Aden grinned. Hippo's haunted holler helped. They had a hiccup-free hooray with hugs and honey hearts. "Just one for the road," he chuckled. "Hic! See you next time for the letter I."